Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing another monthly subscription for January, which I'm very much aware today is the last month, but this is a British subscription, so it takes a long time to get to me in Canada, and the cost is $20.50, free delivery, so basically $20 Canadian, which actually is an incredibly good price as far as I'm concerned. I do have a link down below if you want to use that, if you decide that you like it. And why don't we just get right to the box? This is the box. Now, unfortunately, it came to me, like I had to go and sign for it, and it came in this box that was covered in stickers and all kinds of things, and I thought, I actually didn't have a clue what it was because it was covering the name, so I opened it. Normally, I will give it to you so that you can see that I haven't opened the actual box, but this is my first time, so I wasn't aware, but it comes with this beautiful box, which I'm thinking you can use for all kinds of things like storing stationery. I just dated myself, didn't I? Storing, not CDs, those don't really happen anymore either. Storing makeup. Storing makeup. There we go, storing makeup. So why don't we get right to it? Let's open this up. Aw, look at that, it comes with some stuff. I actually popped this open earlier too. But it comes with all this tissue. I didn't get further than this though. I didn't get into this far. I just realized that I was going to start opening and looking at the stuff inside. And here's the box. Okay, so glasses time. Glasses, 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 glasses time. Woo! Okay, Lookfantastic beauty box. So far, box is beautiful. Okay, it's got Happy New Year, I do not know, it's got a whole bunch of stuff, and then it talks about what's inside. So why don't we go and look and see what we're getting. We got a magazine. Elle magazine. That's kind of cool, actually. Is it the British version? Is there a British version? There we go. This will actually go really lovely to my daughter at the dorm. She can share this with all the girls. Put it in the common room, maybe? Nice. I wonder if it comes with that every month. Apparently it does. There you go. Every month I'm going to be getting a free magazine. I think that works for me. For $20.50. Aren't these like $5 or $6? I haven't bought a magazine in oh so long. I have no idea. Ooh, this is pretty on the inside. This is a really pretty thing. First thing that's on top is this. Let's see. This is a VIDEO'S Gold Dust Sheet Mask. Inspired by Korean skincare, this mask is made with real gold dust to give your skin the ultimate treatment. Fitting seamlessly on your face, this ultra-fine mask enhances moisture levels to deeply nourish and soothe the skin. Nice. Nice. Feels kind of squishy and soft. Mine is rolled rose gold dust. Wow, it's actually made with real rose and gold dust, and I happen to love the scent of rose, so there's that. Now the second thing is this, which I need to find what these are, because I haven't got a clue. Okay, these are called Pop Band Active Hair Ties, designed to leave hair fresh and kink-free. Kink-free works for me. Pop bands are an essential for wearing your hair up. These gym-ready hair ties are made from a wide elastic that doesn't snag your hair, but instead means that your hair is styled comfortably. Another good thing to give to the girls on the dorm. These are kind of cute, aren't they? I really like them. I think they're cute. So far, I'm actually really, really happy. Okay, the next thing I see is Dr. Pawpaw. That's so cute, Dr. Pawpaw. Okay, a staple in our beauty routine, this award-winning multiple-purpose balm contains fermented, what the heck is a fermented pawpaw? Okay, it's a fermented pawpaw, an ingredient that contains natural healing properties. This all-natural, fragrance-free balm made in the UK, is designed to deeply nourish and soothe and can be used not only as a lip balm, but also for cuticles, dry skin, or even damaged hair. Okay, have you ever heard of anything that goes on your lips, your hair, your hands? I've never in my life. It's vegan free though. Cruelty free and vegan. So very nice. I'll have to try it and see, right? Never know. Okay, this thing, make sure I get it correctly, is there. And this is Swell Ultimate Protect and Renew Serum. Creates sleek, smooth, and hydrated hair with the silicone-free and weightless formula. Designed to create salon-worthy results at home. This multitasking serum helps to control frizz, reduce the appearance of split ends, and give you a glossy look. Okay, I need that. Actually, I need that really bad because I have all of that. Could be because that's what I put in my my questionnaire thing, right? Duh. I'm like, how did they know? How did they get that right? I'm amazed. Yeah, it's not that amazing. I told them, right? Okay, there's this. I don't know. Is this the last one? Let's look. No, there's another one. There's two more. $20. That's pretty good, actually. Okay, I've never tried this before. This is banana powder. This is Bella Pierre banana setting powder. I never knew there was banana powder. This yellow-toned, color-correcting, loose setting powder is essential for brightening lackluster skin. For makeup that will last all day, use this powder to set foundation and concealer in place. Let's see if it smells. Not really. So there you go. I've never tried banana powder. I don't know if you guys have tried it. I'm going to try this balm. I didn't try that and show you guys. Ooh, it's got a little safety seal. Always a good thing. Not good when you're trying to do a video, but yeah. Let's see. It says it's good for cuticles. It actually looks like Vaseline. Kind of has that little... To be honest, it kind of feels like Vaseline too. Kind of got that kind of like greasy, but how can that be good in your hair if you're putting greasy? No scent though, it just smells like Vaseline. Probably is Vaseline. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I shouldn't really say that, you know. Okay, and the last thing in our box is First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. Let's try that again. First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. Yep, that's what it is. Discover this coconut water infused, oil-free, multitasking complexion enhancer that instantly brightens, moisturizes, and soothes in one step. Simply apply to the skin for a blurred complexion that is perfectly prepped for makeup application. Cool. So basically it's a primer. As I drop it all over the place. Let's see. Let's pop this puppy open and see what it feels like. Let's put it on the back of our hand. I don't know if you guys can see that, but basically it's like a tinted. It definitely has that like watery, moisturizing consistency. Let's see how it dries down. Actually, it dries down nicely and quickly. So there you go. That does have a scent actually. I don't know. It's nice. It's really, really incredibly subtle scented, but I like it a lot. Ooh, I'm blingy today. See my little bling bling? Bling, 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 bling. I'm a little princess today. You know I'm kidding. I'm a big princess. So let's look at this. Ooh, this goes, see, I put it all in the box. Look at that. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to be genuinely honest about this box. I'm impressed. For $20, not sure how much in the United States it is. but for $20.50, free delivery from Europe, from England, and with the beautiful box and the magazine and all the products, I really like it. It may come late in the month, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to do, instead of just North American, Canadian, American, because I do 2 American, I do BoxyCharm and Ipsy Glam Bag. Then for Canada, I do Top Box. Now for England, I do Lookfantastic, and I have a Korean one and a Japanese food one. And I thought we'd do them all over the world, even if they come really late in the month. I think it'd be fun, right? Fun seeing different things, and that one was impressive. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, blah, 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 all that good stuff that I ask you to do every single time, and I feel repetitive, and I'm not even sure I need to do that because, you know, you're all awesome, right? All my peoples, you're awesome. But, you know, there's a link down below, like I said at the beginning, so if you feel the need that you want to check it out, go ahead, check it out. Just push the link and it'll take you right there. So you guys all have a great day, okay? And if you're one of those people in the Northeast with all the cold weather, in Northeast United States, Southern, Eastern Canada, please stay warm. It's so cold and so snowy and just icky. So take care, okay? Bye.